In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off safe search in DuckDuckGo. If you're seeing filtered results and want a broader, unfiltered view, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where the setting lives and how to change it. Safe search is designed to hide explicit content from your results, and by default it may be set to moderate or strict depending on your device or region. Turning it off gives you the most open set of results, though keep in mind that some networks or local laws can still restrict what appears. Start on DuckDuckGo, either on the home page or any results page. Look to the top right corner. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines or a small gear, depending on your browser and device. Click that menu or the gear to open the Options panel. From there, select Settings. This takes you into the DuckDuckGo search settings page where all your preferences are managed. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Private Search. That's where DuckDuckGo groups privacy-related controls, including the Safe Search option. You're in the right place when you see the Safe Search choices listed as Off, Moderate, and Strict. Select Off to disable the filter. For context, Strict tries to block most explicit content, Moderate filters some content, while allowing more general results, and Off removes the filter, showing you results without that screening. Choosing Off is helpful if you're researching topics that might be unfairly hidden by filters, but be prepared for potentially sensitive material to appear. After you've chosen Off, scroll to the bottom of the page. If you see a Save and Exit button, click it to lock in your changes. On some versions of DuckDuckGo, settings save automatically, so you may not see that button at all. If that's the case, your selection applies right away, and you can simply navigate back to your search. A couple of quick tips to avoid surprises. DuckDuckGo stores your settings in your current browser or app. If you clear your cookies, use a private or incognito window, switch devices, or use a different browser, you may need to repeat these steps. Also, if Safe Search appears to stay on even after you set it to off, check whether your device, browser extensions, parental controls, or workplace network are enforcing their own filters. That's it. You've turned off Safe Search in DuckDuckGo and should now see unfiltered results. If you ever want to restore the filter, just return to the same private search section and pick Moderate or Strict.